Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best 3D printers to help you choose the perfect tool for your creative and professional projects. Each printer on this list brings unique features and benefits. So let's dive in and see what they have to offer. As always, product links are in the description below for your convenience. This list is based on our personal views, factoring in ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more to give you the best options. Number 5. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Plus 3D printer offers an impressive blend of speed and size for efficient 3D printing. With a maximum speed of 500 millimeters per second and acceleration of 10,000 millimeters per second squatter, it's designed to complete your projects faster than typical FDM printers. Its large build size of 12.6 by 12.6 by 15.7 inches allows for the creation of large models, and it boasts a powerful Cortex A7 processor for high-speed computation and precision. The printer's optimized structure includes a dual Z-axis and extruder for stable performance, while the AnyCubic app adds convenience with features like real-time monitoring and online model library access. Number 4. The FYSETC Voron 2.4 R2 3D printer is a powerhouse of precision and adaptability. It features a maximum print speed of 300 millimeters per second, an auto-leveling system, and compatibility with multiple filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and PLA-CF. With a maximum print size of 350 by 350 by 350 millimeters, it offers ample space for detailed creations. The Voron 2.4 R2 supports advanced slicing software like Prusa Slicer, Simplify 3D, and Cura, ensuring flexibility and control. Its high-temperature nozzle and heated bed allow for consistent quality across a variety of materials. Built with durability in mind, this printer includes CE certification, ensuring safety and reliability. It's perfect for users who value both precision and versatility in their 3D printing projects. Number 3 is the HALOT CREALITY Ender 3 3D printer, taking the third spot, combining affordability with performance. With a maximum speed of 250 millimeters per second and a print size of 220 by 20 by 250 millimeters, it's ideal for beginners and intermediate users. It supports multiple filaments like PLA, PETG, and TPU, allowing you to experiment with different materials. The printer's 0.4mm standard nozzle can be swapped out for various sizes, offering flexibility for different project requirements. While it lacks auto-leveling, the precision of 0.1mm ensures excellent quality. Its compatibility with operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, combined with support for popular file formats like STL and OBJ, makes it highly accessible. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to dive into 3D printing. Number 2, the KINGROON KP3S 3D printer stands out for its compact design and impressive performance. With a recommended print speed of 20 to 60 millimeters per second and a precision of -0.1 millimeters, it excels in producing intricate details for smaller projects. Its maximum print size of 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters may be modest, but it's perfect for personal and hobbyist use. The printer supports filaments like PLA, TPU, and even wood, allowing for diverse applications. It's equipped with a heated bed for improved adhesion and operates on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. The KP3S is lightweight and portable, making it an excellent option for users who need a reliable printer that doesn't take up too much space while delivering high-quality results. Finally, taking the top spot is the AnyCubic Kobra 3 3D printer, a premium choice for anyone seeking speed, quality, and innovation. With a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second and a working speed of 300 millimeters per second, it's one of the fastest printers available, designed to handle demanding projects efficiently. Its auto-leveling feature ensures hassle-free setup, and the printer's 4.3-inch touchscreen offers intuitive controls. With a print size of 250 by 250, 260 millimeters, and compatibility with multiple filaments like PLA, PTG, and TPU, it's versatile enough for various creative needs. The multicolor printing capability and advanced features, like a high-temperature nozzle and powerful 400-watt power supply, make it a standout choice. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and updates on the latest products to elevate your creativity and productivity.